Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we got this Gaggia Academia with us in the shop. And pretty much it was brought into us because one, the door hinges, both of the door hinges here, I got the original ones, were broken in half, so the door wouldn't open or close. Normally you could still close the door and it would hold because there's locks on this side of the machine that keeps the door closing, but when you try to open it, it will just fall apart. So we replaced both the hinges. On that, we also replaced your ceramic valve because it was leaking quite a ton in the back of your machine. This is your original one also, as you can see. There's quite a bit of drippage, which after a while, which is why it isn't every time you use your machine, but after a while it'll build up enough water to drip out on your counter. So we did replace that also. And we did a tune-up on your machine, which also replaced this piece, which goes to your group unit. This one here that pours water through your machine. We replaced a few things, and we did a tune-up, which was descaling your machine and servicing on the gaskets on your brew unit. Also, just cleaning it out thoroughly. So now we're going to do a few tests. We're just going to test hot water, and we're going to test espresso because this one did not have a carafe with it. So we're going to try espresso. We're going to hear it grind a little bit. I did not calibrate or anything like that. We're using our test coffee for this test also. We're going to see it grinds. Now it's going to try to pour the espresso shot. As you can see, coming out well. Cool. There's an espresso shot for you. And in case you wanted to make something like Americano or teas or anything like that, you got hot water right here, which will come out of that spout. After it gets the temperature. So now that it's hot enough, it's going to start pumping water out through here. And yeah, that's all the functions of the machine working well and working great. If you like this repair or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.